So guys, what we have here is this our euro USD on this our 4-hour time frame. Let's zoom it out. There's one thing we can see, a bearish move. We can see a drop, right? We tend to see a movement like this on this 4-hour time frame, kind of like a drop, like a little bit of it. We saw this good amount of drop, right? Let's see it this way. We saw this drop, huge amount of drop, then we saw this a little bit of a correction, then it's kind of range, right? We add another drop again, kind of this kind of correction, then a range was up, which kind of range a little bit, right? Then we kind of add another drop again on this 4-hour time frame, right? Now we've had another drop. Is the drop over where? Pretty much I don't think so, because we will be having a pullback at this area which we just got in. So once we've had this pullback for this area, right, I believe that we should actually be ranging a little bit, as we've all been having a little bit, whereby we see this price kind of range on this 4-hour time frame. We can see this up movement, down movement, where price has not been able to give us kind of like a correction move. Kind of we have something, a move like this that happened here again. So we kind of have a move again. I think something like that happened right after a drop, right? We kind of see this a huge kind of ranging market move. It's exactly what I believe we will be having. We will add it here when we add this drop, right? We add this drop, then kind of a ranging market move here. We saw it, right? Then we've now gotten this drop. What I believe again on this our 4-hour time frame is that we kind of have a ranging market move for this. So Euro USD, guys, if you want to trade it, then watch out for it. I don't believe that we will just continue to go drop. I believe we will still have kind of like a ranging market move here, possibly for this day, which is on the 23rd for August, 23, which is on Friday. We will be expecting kind of a ranging market move, except the price can break below this our lows here. So basically on this 4-hour time frame, we're taking these lows as our lows here. This is our lowest point, except the price breaks below it. If not, we would be seeing this kind of a ranging market move. Even for better understanding, you can see it on the daily time frame, right? I mean, kind of like see it this way, markets kind of give us a pullback area here. We saw this drop, kind of add a little bit of a pullback, right? Now we've had this drop. What we are expecting is kind of like a pullback area, which we just recently gotten. This pullback area, they think this pullback area will just start giving us a drop down, which I don't believe. I don't think will start giving us that drop down. We kind of see kind of like a little bit of a movement around this area here after the pullback before it drops. So basically Euro USD on this our 4-hour time frame, like we just said, should kind of see like a market ranging within this area, kind of serving like a support and resistance area. So you can even see this green candlestick here. So this green candlestick should be able to take us to this highs, then we should get a drop, then after that we should have a movement that will take us to this highs, then a drop, which I believe would be happening on Euro USD.